Hey family, welcome or welcome back. If you are new to my channel, I want to welcome you. My name is Patrice. It'd be great if you hit that subscribe button down below to join the family. I hope you're having a beautiful, wonderful, blessed day. You are alive, so that is a blessing. Keep that smile on your face because you look more beautiful with it on. Yes, you do. Yes. Look at you. This is my first lock video of 2019. I want to thank all of you guys for the support, the love, everything. You guys are awesome. You guys are wonderful. Before we do get into this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell. Make sure it's on. Today's video is going to be all about locks. If you're someone who does not like detailed videos that go in depth with information and stuff like that, if you like things that are like to the point, I'm not the one. I am not the one. I like to explain, give you helpful information. So if you are looking for a video such as that, then continue, shall we? So let's start with the basics. When you're starting your journey, you want to make sure you research prior to starting your journey. You don't want to just jump in and voila, I'm going to learn on my own. I did that, but I don't advise anyone to do that. It's not a smart thing to do because you might come across problems. When you're first starting out your journey, there are several of things that you want to consider, like what parting system will I start? There's diamond shape, triangle, there's fan shape or brick shape. There's so many different ways to start your locks with the parting system. I made a video on this, so I will link that video in my description box and also on the screen. What size do I want my locks to be? That's small, extra small, there's medium, large, extra large. The sizing plays a huge part on how thick your locks will be. If your parting is small, then you're going to get small locks. If your parting is large, you're going to get larger, thicker locks. And what I mean by parting, if you don't know anything about parting or hair, so, you know, this is my parting. You see, in between each hair is a parting. Mind you, I do not have a square parting, a triangle parting, a diamond shape parting. I have a fan shape parting. I'll also show a picture since my hair is not retwisted. It's hard for you to kind of see my parting. What kind of locks do I want? Do I want traditional locks like Patrice? Or do I want sister locks? Do I want micro locks? Do I want freeform locks? What kind of locks do I want? There's so many different types of locks that you can get. You want to really do your research on the types of locks. I just name a few. These are questions that you need to ask yourself. They're all your own preference. How will I start my locks? With comb coils, 2-strand, braids, back combing, lock extension. How will I start my locks? I started with comb coils. I have 4C hair. This all plays a part on your hair texture and what you find comfortable for you. So, for example, if you have fine textured hair, usually it's very common to back comb depending on how fine your hair is. Back combing is very popular for those who have fine hair so that their hair can actually be formed into a lock. So as far as maintenance, like when I start, am I going to palm roll, which is basically using my palm and going like this to retwist my roots, or will I be interlocking using a tool or my fingers? For those who choose freeforming, this does not matter for you guys because you're just letting your hair do its thing, whatever it wants to do, however it wants to grow. So those things are very important to keep in mind, to know, and to decide. It's all your choice. It's all your preference. I can't tell you like, you know, you should do this, you should do that. It's how you feel. I want to research about scalp conditions because everyone's scalp is different. My scalp is different from yours. Everyone's hair is different. So you want to inform yourself about this information. You also want to learn about hair porosity. Is it low? Is it normal? Or is it high? Like how my hair drinks water and oil? Yeah. You also want to know about hair density. It is important to know about hair density because like someone can start their locks exactly like mine and use the exact products and every single thing to the T. that does not mean that their locks are going to be like mine. It does not mean that, because we have two different heads. We have two different hair types. Even if we have the same hair type, look, our head, everything's different. Hey you guys, welcome back to another video of mine. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you. My name is Patrice. I don't know how people do ASMR, yo. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Ooh, we about to talk about locks. We about to talk about LOCS. 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 We're about to talk about LOCS. I'm out of here. Peace out.